I'm back. Don't worry, I didn't forget to do my last one. Now that I have measured with the tiles, I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just going to write right here 10 tiles. And then 5 paper clips. In case my paper falls and I forget, then I have to measure it again, whatever. Because we're not going to glue them down. We're just going to take a picture of them. If you're at home, you can glue down your beans and macaroni and whatever else you use. That's perfectly fine. Now we're going to measure with our ones cubes. Okay, let me start at the top, my start line. Make sure it's even with the tiles and the paper clips. Okay, they also have to be touching. They cannot be any finger spaces. No gaps. No spaces. No on top of each other's. Just end to end. Yep. Since I need so many, I might as well do 2 or 3 at a time, right? Okay, here we go. Still straight across? Pretty much. Okay. So now I have a lot more cubes than I used of anything else, right? Why do you think I used more cubes than paper clips? I wonder if it's because the paper clips are longer and I don't need as many if they're longer. So the shorter unit of measurement I use, the smaller unit of measurement that I used, I'm going to need more of, right? Right. All right, so let's count all these cubes up, guys. I think I'm going to take that one off. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25, and I'm going to move it for just a second, 25 cubes. Well, actually, these are ones units. Cubes are something else. Ones. Uh-oh, I dropped one. Ones units. Okay, so now that after you get them all on there, just so perfect. Not like mine. It's all on there just so perfect. You are going to take your tablet and you're going to take a picture and then you're going to turn it in to your teacher. And then there is a wonderful, fabulous, awesome, exciting video from Sid the Science Kid about non-standard units of measurement. So, what did we learn today? We learned about length, that it is a type of measurement. It tells us how long or wide something is. We have a start end and an end. A start line and an end line. Unit of measure, different types of measurement. We measure things with different tools. And then here are the non-standard units of measurement that we will be using, some of them. And then the last thing, have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday.